Let me show you how to replace battery on your writing pad. So for this job you will need actually the smallest Phillips screwdriver, and when you actually flip it over here you can see you have a tiny screw over here, and all we have to do is we have to literally unscrew it and set the screw aside somewhere safely, and then what we have to do is, you see you have this like tiny knob here, and we actually have to like push it in and at the same time like try to pull it out. So with one fingernail basically put it like this and push it down, and with other like try to like remove it. As you see, it has like tiny knob, basically security knob, and then we can basically pull out the battery, and this is what the battery looks like. So the model number is CR2025. So I shall leave a link on the Amazon and also AliExpress where you can purchase these. So these cost like few peanuts basically. So like maybe like you can purchase like 2 batteries for $1 or something like that. And again, to put the battery back in, make sure it's positioned like this. So this like a ribbit like this, basically push it like this and simply slide it in and make sure it's flush, and again replace your screw. And once done, we can actually erase it again. So if your tablet is not erasing, that simply means your battery most likely is dead and you simply need to replace it. Anyway, good luck guys.